Prepare your HP Stitch S1000 126-inch printer to print on a flag. Use the IPS, or internal print server, to set up the printer for flag printing. To print on a flag, you first need to install the ink collector. Go to the IPS, and then select Install Ink Collector. Follow the instructions when prompted by the IPS. With the beam in the upper position, install the ink collector on top of the print zone. Secure both blue locks so they face the same direction as the substrate path. The printer is now configured to print on a flag. When indicated by the front panel, replace the ink collector and aerosol extractor foams. First, replace the aerosol extractor foams. Wear gloves and make sure no ink spills occur in the substrate path. Next, replace the ink collector foams. Check the substrate path, and if necessary, clean it. For further information on the cleaning procedure, refer to the documentation provided with the printer. With printer maintenance complete, the printer is ready to print on a flag again.